Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords about one single specific niche, and we are going to cover the cake decorating niche in today's video, so you can create books that are either recipe books, high content books, where you dive into different strategies of creating cakes, as well as a step-by-step book, top 30, top 50 ways. There are many ways and many strategies to go about this. Now, before I get started on the 4 top keywords for today's video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to view all our new videos, and also let us get started with the first one. Our first keyword for the day is cake decorating books for beginners, step by step. This is a great keyword to get started on this wonderful cake decorating niche, and also it is an ideal keyword to use for your title because it fits all the profitability metrics that we will talk about, starting with the total results under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 198. We also have an average bestseller rank of 343,164, which is within that 300,000 range. The average reviews are 711. Average price is $13.63. We also have a really good high keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche, and it is the highest on the scale. So let's break down the keywords quickly. First of all, what are we doing here? We're creating a beginner's guide, and that beginner's guide is broken into step by step. So it's a really structured, simplistic kind of book where we talk about cake decorating. So who are our audience? It's not specific whether our audience are adults or children. This is something for us to sub-niche if we would like, and if we would want to create more different varieties of this keyword and utilize this keyword to the most of its ability. Now, scrolling down, we do have a couple of books that are ranking quite well, that are not sponsored, that are selling consistently, starting with our first book titled Cake Decorating for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to decorating like a pro. And this one has a bestseller rank under 100,000, and it is currently sitting at 36,687. It is selling around 180 copies on a monthly basis, generating approximately $514. Scrolling down, we've got our next book as well with a really good bestseller rank of 75,000. Next up, we've got 327. We've got another one under 100,000, sitting at 44,212, and it's specifically about buttercream flowers in terms of buttercream icing for cakes. Now, it doesn't feature cake decorating in any of the title or subtitle, but they have managed to use this wonderful keyword, cake decorating books for beginners step by step, as part of their 7 keyword slots, and that is another strategy that you can also be able to implement if you want to take advantage of this keyword. So if you currently have any books that are about cake decorating, piping, frosting, buttercream, anything related to that, sweets and desserts, go ahead and add this keyword to your 7 keyword slots and update it. I usually do that every 2 to 3 months. To be honest, it really does play a big role when it comes to boosting up your books. Next up, we've got 44,095 as the bestseller with this book right here, Anyone Can Cake, your complete guide to making and decorating perfect layer cakes, and it is selling approximately 120 copies per month, generating a massive $1,226 on a monthly basis from that book alone. As you can tell, great books, great covers, really eye-catching. Take advantage of this wonderful keyword, preferably for the 7 keyword slots or for the title. Now let's head to our second keyword out of the 4 for today, and this one is beginners cake decorating book for kids, so specifically targeting children right here. You could also further sub niche because whether you're creating it for boys, for girls, whether you're creating it for kids of different age groups as well, that is an opportunity. Or you can just keep it simplistic and just create a beginners cake decorating book for children, kids. So first of all, we've got a total results below 1,000, and it is currently sitting at 237. Average bestseller rank is slightly on the higher side, but don't fear because there is massive potential for this wonderful keyword, and you could also use it as part of the 7 keyword slots. for any cake decorating book that you have or that you're willing to make as well, if you decide to utilize these 4 keywords shared in today's video. And it has a bestseller rank of 588,158. Average reviews is 632, and average price is $11.65. We have a good keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche, and they've given us a number 6, which beautifully complements the results that we have right over here. And then again, bear in mind that this is for children. We've got our first book with a bestseller rank under 100,000, sitting at 36,687, titled Cake Decorating for Beginners. Next up, we've got a couple of other books as well that are ranking quite well, 403,000, 300,000 as well. We've got 500,000 as the bestseller, 444,000. Then again, buttercream flowers. Notice that it's showing on nearly every cake decorating keyword that we've discussed in this video and in the previous video as well. It is selling on an all-time high. Next up, we've got more specific books as well. Wilton cake decorating cakes book. Now I want to do Wilton because it is a trademark term and it is a company itself as well. So let's dive into the third keyword, and our third keyword is cake decorating instruction book, and this one's a fabulous keyword specifically for either the subtitle, my apologies, or the 7 keyword slots. Why? Because of its slightly higher bestseller rank. That's why I recommend it for either the 7 keyword slots or for the subtitle, and it has a really good high keyword niche score of 61 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, as well as a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 970, below 1,000. Then again, average bestseller rank is slightly on the higher side, but utilize this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots and you'll be good to go. And it is averaging 699,452. Average reviews are 580, and average price is $13.78. Scrolling down, we see our first book, Cake Decorating for Beginners, not sponsored, selling quite well as well. Next up, we've got a couple of others that are quite similar to the previous one that are ranking beautifully as well. As you can see here, more lovely, beautiful, vibrant colors. This one's about buttercream, yet it is ranking under this keyword because it is related and it is a sub niche as well. This one right here, then again about buttercream flowers, the same exact book that popped up a couple of keywords away. This one's the perfect cake, your ultimate guide to classic, modern, and whimsical cakes, and it is sitting beautifully at 15,781 as well. Now let's go to our last 4th keyword for the day, and it is cake decorating books for beginners, step by step. And this one has a total results of 196, average bestseller rank of 397,302, which is within the expected frame, which is below 400,000. Average reviews 590, average price is $11.44. So we have a keyword niche score of number 9 given by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Scrolling down, the similar books that are ranking quite well for the previous 3 keywords can be found also right over here as well. Then again, ignoring the sponsored books because these ones have current ads running that affect the overall data given, and overall profitability as well. Now I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.